Alright guys, my name is Arijit and I welcome you to this video. In this video, we are going to understand how all these training modules will help you in the long run. You might be thinking like, okay, so Arijit have gave me access to everything, but what's the use of getting this access? Let me give you a backstory of myself. You already know that I started in 2008, and when I got started, I was doing CPA marketing, kind of CPA marketing, because I was doing surveys for different companies. It's a CPA marketing approach. So when I was doing that, I got huge amount of roadblocks. Like I was not aware of how to do them. I was not aware of which platform should I use, and I was not even aware of how to use that as like how to scale that business. Like doing surveys and everything. It's a good amount of money, but it's not scalable. You cannot just write 5 different surveys per minute, right? It usually took me like 1 hour 30 minutes to complete each survey, and that was the biggest drawback at that time. I was willing to scale that. I was hoping to get different friends and families to enroll for these kind of offers, and they were all skeptical because earning money from the internet was a big scam at that moment. So when I got started, it was a big scam. Right now it's a different business model. Right now people are doing this stuff because they are even diverting from an offline store to an online business. Like e-commerce is a big industry right now. Like there are a total of like 2 to 7 billion dollars have been transferred from e-commerce affiliates alone, right? This like previous year. Just go to Google and type in like what is the stat for e-commerce, what is the market for e-commerce, or what is the market for affiliate marketing. You will literally just see people are enrolling for these kind of offers right now because they want to just get rid of their 9 to 5 jobs. And right now it's kind of a very booming market. Previously it was kind of a delusion market based model, and people were deluding each other for money. Right now it's not about the money, it's all about how you can help someone get rid of their problem, and instead of that you will get paid from that guy or that person. As simple as that. So there's no delusion in between unless you provide something fake information, fake like tools and strategies and everything. So what my point is that when I got started, I did not have one single person. Literally, there were no one single person that helped me at that moment. I was doing it all by myself. I learned how to create websites all by myself. I then started doing affiliate marketing from ClickBank, and it was a good amount of money. Obviously it was good because that was my first income from ClickBank back in 2000, and it was 2009 or 2010 when I started doing ClickBank after surveys. So it took me 1 year to create one website. Can you imagine that? Like even right now, if some people like some designers would take 1 year to build a website, it would look something like Huffington Post or any kind of like popular websites that you can think of. So my point is that why do I like why am I basically giving you access to all my bonuses? Why am I doing this stuff? Like, is there any kind of ulterior motives behind that? Yes, there is an ulterior motive behind this. The motive is that to help you get started. That's my ulterior motive. Once I used to be in the same position. Remember this. I used to get stuck all the time. I was not following anyone, so I did not know anyone even though, let alone following them. So right now what you are getting is like a secret blueprint that is given to you on a silver platter. You just have to use that or eat that food on the platter, and that's it. Like I am going to teach you how you can use all these bonuses in wrapping things up. Training module. Just scroll downwards on any course material that you see, whether you are on Ecosys Masterclass or any kind of material. Just scroll downwards. You would get a list of all the things. That watch the last training video. This is the gold mine because I am giving you so much. Like there are a total of 11 different items on this silver platter. So you might be getting confused, like which one would work, which one should I start with. I don't know, like what should I do. Everything, like people always go for the first one, but before you do that, just I want to make sure that even if you go for the first platter, just that is the starters, right? Even if you go for the starters, just ensure that you watch the dessert at the end, because this is what will help you understand which bonus is going to help you in the long run. Like, why do you need a checklist to follow? Why do you need email list to follow? What's the purpose of getting a sales funnel from my end? Like, understand all these things, how to change your affiliate links on sales funnels, how to do tracking and everything. Like, all those good stuffs are wrapped up in one single video. Literally, you will understand what that video means once you start watching. There's no affiliate links in this training module. You just have to watch that particular training video, understand why you need to like get into traffic domination, why you need my ad swipes, why you need my email template, and how you can literally just form. Like, I've given you puzzle pieces. It's kind of like puzzle. I've given you puzzle pieces, and you just like remember when we were kids, we used to do puzzles, right? We used to scramble all the puzzles with the two different puzzles. My sister used to do that. Two different puzzles. She used to scramble everything, and I was like everywhere. Like, what should I do? Like, what's the image? What should I do? How should I do it? And that made me confused more. So all this training modules is like a mixed up puzzle of multiple different things. So my only way to help you is to guide you what puzzle you need to first create, then go to the second puzzle, or what image you need to like replicate by solving the puzzle or something like that. But that is what my motive is with this particular training video, that is in the wrapping things up video. Okay, so I do hope that you find value in this video, and stay tuned for my updates, guys. I'm going to go on like weekly live webinars. I was going to say likely week webinars. I will go to weekly live updates, and I will tell you how's everything going behind the scene, what people are sending, how it is benefiting them, or everything. I'm going to start a new trend on YouTube as well. So once I start doing that, you will understand. I will also update stacking funnel case studies, like what people are doing in different industries with my training modules, like what they learned from this, how they are implementing that, how much money they have made, and everything. I'm going to pick up some of the gems from my students. I'm going to pick up some of them. Like, not all of them will become 96 like 4%. They will be in the 96% category, because once you get something for free, you don't value. Once you pay for that, you value that, right? So I will try to pick up the 4%ers from this training program and make a case study video on how they literally changed their life, what were they before and what they became after, with my training videos. It's going to be like a case study, so you are going to watch that video, you will feel excited about that. And that's all I have to offer right now. And all you have to do is just use my training course materials to sell your affiliate offer, so that people can opt into your offer. You get paid, you send them to my email ID, that is info@flavorsofdigital.com. Ask them to send me an email with their payment receipt that they have purchased your affiliate offer with your link, not mine. Okay, once they do that, I'm going to verify, because all these videos are trackable. Okay, all these links are trackable. So once I verify that whether that person has purchased your offer or not, I will then send all my training modules, all my bonuses and everything, just to help you guys become a leader in the field. Once you start making money, you will literally just create your own course, then sell your own course. Okay, you don't have the legit resources right now to create a course. You don't have the legit information to create a course. What will you talk in the course? Like, whether you have generated 100 leads in 1 hour, you can literally create that kind of a course, but you have to generate 100 leads before that, right? So use my training modules to generate, let's say, 100 leads. Leads means you are generating your army in your email list. As simple as that. So once you do that, I'm going to catch up with you in the next video. So till then, stay safe, stay happy, and I'm going to See you on the next video. Bye bye.